episode of Fireworks Brigade Unboxed. Here are your hosts, Johnny Starr and Ron the Banker.
All right, John, Unboxed. Boss Chief, this is a new one.
Boss Chief, this is a new one. I've been working on this for about a year.
Everybody will notice the Wise Guy brand, the Wise Guy logo. That means quality.
Quality.
1.4, 4 in a box. This is Boss Chief. Let's open it up. Yeah, don't hurt yourself.
No, I'm going to hurt myself again. All right. Let's look at this.
Yeah.
Oh boy, what do we have
Boss
here?
Chief. Now, this is a little,
Okay.
a little strange here, John. We got,
So
it looks
Boss
like
Chief.
you got some cutouts here.
Yeah, it's got kind of like a hole up here, and it's kind of got like this little fountain thing going on here.
So it's a 500 gram, 24 shots.
500 gram cake. Now, what's so remarkable about this is
There was only some way you could connect this
we
with
can
other
only
ones.
connect them. So,
Yes.
bring them in, boys.
Oh, we got Vanna.
We got, well, actually Clay, but.
We couldn't afford Vanna. We got
There's
Clay.
Clay coming in, swirling around. There's Mitch. So, we can see all this.
So what you do,
So basically,
come on, Clay, stay here, Clay. We got Boss Chief, we got Boss Joker, Boss Lady, and Boss Baby. So they're all part of one series. So what you do is you connect them. You see this here? You got this is a flare, right? So you light it from this end, and it doesn't matter which order you put them in.
Nope.
So now you just
we
throw
just
this one on top
insert
of
that
that.
over there.
Insert that.
Insert that over there.
Insert that. And so now what does this do for the pyros?
Now, all you do is light one wick, and it shoots off, goes to this one, goes to this one, and goes to this one.
No need for extra fuse.
No need for any fusing. Simple. Just look. Boom.
Can you shoot them off by themselves?
You can shoot them off by themselves.
What would happen if I shot it off by itself?
This is just a little fountain.
A little fountain at the end.
A little fountain flare.
So the fountain lights the next cake.
So this would be the male end. Obviously, that is the female end, and we just go. Yeah, that felt good. That's how we do it.
What was the who made these? Who makes these?
No, we can't tell you, Ron. It's a lot of people out there. It's a secret. Made for a Wise Guy, exclusive at Star Fireworks. Nobody else has these.
Do you know what any of the inspiration is behind these labels? Boss Baby, Boss Joker, Boss Lady? Boss Chief.
Boss Chief was made obviously for me.
Okay.
Boss Joker was made for Steve. And Boss Baby was basically for the whining guy. And
Dino?
We weren't supposed to
for those who we can't speak their name.
And Boss Lady, we fired her. So there we go.
Wow.
So yeah.
It doesn't matter what order you put them in.
Nope.
Is there anyone? Are they?
And you
all
can
do the
buy
same
one
thing?
or two. No, they're all different effects.
Okay.
All hit real nice and hard cakes. You can buy one, you can buy two, you can connect them.
So
years to come, next season, we're going to have more you can add on to this. But not only do we have it in the 500 gram section, we also have it in the 350 gram, and we also have it at 200 gram.
Oh,
So you can connect
we have
anyone
another
of
unboxing coming up.
Yeah.
So this is
Boom.
96 shots right here.
96
well,
shots.
You can buy 24, 48,
Yep. And it's
72,
continuous.
96.
Yep.
All right.
Perfect. No need for fuse.
Star Fireworks is located right off I-29 at the Wild Rice exit. If the sign out front doesn't say Star Fireworks, keep driving.